Good morning, everyone. Myself, Arnav from class 9. Today, we will explain the chapter of my childhood, me and my friend Balaji.
So this is about APJ Abdul Kalam. Uh, uh, he uh, he was a great personality. When he was 8 years old, he earned his first money by selling the termite seeds in between of the World War, because in the World War no one was coming out. It was very free for him to move and find the termite seeds. So, and after that, when he was 12 to 13 years old, he sold newspaper at the second world war, because everyone was interested in knowing the news, what happened in the second world war, what is happening in the second world war. So he was having two friends, Sivanand and Ram Prakasan. Sivanand was Sivanand became a transporter of goods in the seaway, and Ram Prakasan became a priest in the nearby temple.
After that, one day Kalam was in school at standard 5th Rameswaram Elementary School. He was studied there. He and his friend Ramananda Sastri was sitting in class. One day, one teacher will come who was say to the Kalam that Ramananda is a Hindu child, and you are a Muslim child, so why are you sitting together? And they rudely tell, and she says that Kalams, you go and sit backside because you are wearing cap. That's why. Then when Kalam was sit in backside, then he both are very sad, and after that Ramananda Sastri was starting crying. Then his science teacher will come, his father will come. Ramananda Sastri was telling that teacher, why are you between that students in why are you doing the discrimination about them? Then that teacher was realized, and he asked the sorry. After that, Kalam science teacher will come, and he understand everything what happened in his life, and everyone should see her like a Muslim boy. He is not a human like that, and the discrimination about the religions. And after that, one day Subramaniam, the teacher was call him his home for dinner. When Kalam was go to his home, there his wife was because they are high Brahmins, so high caste Brahmins, so that's why his wife was so angry. Why are you call the Muslim boys in our home like that? So that time they did not provide the food to Kalam. After that, the teacher was go and bring with his hand and give to Kalams. Then after that, after 1 week, then the teacher was again he called, and after that day Kalam was told that teacher, I will not come, sir, because his wife was scolding him. That's why he didn't come. After that, uh, then Kalam was go his home, and at that time his wife also come and bring took her to kitchen and provide the dinner and to it. After that, second world war, when Gandhiji was says that you built your own country, at that time Kalam was go and took his father permission to study in Rameshwaram district university. So his father was accept and he was very happy, but his mother was says no, and his mother was not accept to go there because he was a one child of them, and that's why his mother was angry to I will not send my child, because in outside they're killing the peoples like that. So after that, his father was told his mother that our child is interested to study, he will not live for us only, he also build her own life, that's why I also accept you and accept. After that his mother was realized and his mother was agreed to go and study outside. Thank you.